In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to find middle C on our piano. All pianos have two types of keys, black keys and white keys. If you look at your piano, you'll see that black keys are arranged in patterns of 2, 3, 2, 3, like this. White keys are arranged in patterns of 3, 4, 3, 4, like this. We'll call these groups of 3 pattern A and these groups of 4 pattern B. To find all the C notes on our piano, we will look at pattern A. The very first white note in pattern A will always be C. Take a few minutes to find every C note on your piano, starting from the left side all the way to the right side. Parents, you can guide your child through this and make sure all the notes they are finding are the correct note C. Feel free to pause the video while you do this activity. You'll notice that when you start with the C's on the left, the notes are very low, and when you continue going more towards the right, the notes get higher. Middle C is right in the middle of the low notes and the high notes, and it's actually in the middle of your piano too. Now that you know where all the C's are, try and find the closest one to the middle of your piano. That one will be middle C. Parents, as an activity, you can have your child play middle C using different finger numbers, similar to our finger numbers lesson. You can use various combinations of finger numbers on either hand, but ultimately they will only be playing middle C. Have fun practicing!